Headlines about a US-Iran deal and the ongoing blockade of the Strait of Hormuz are keeping markets on edge. Could this week's data trigger the next big market moves? This is the week ahead at XM. Let's take a look at what's coming up. Tuesday kicks off with the Eurozone Flash CPI data. European economies are already suffering from high energy costs due to the blocked Strait of Hormuz. So hot inflation here may cause the euro to surge against the dollar as markets price in a more aggressive ECB response. On Wednesday, we'll get Australia's Q1 GDP. A weaker than expected report would add to signs that the Australian economy is slowing under the impact of higher interest rates, while the US-Iran conflict and rising energy prices are adding extra cost pressure. Together, this could reduce RBA hike expectations and weigh on the Aussie. Also on Wednesday, the US ISM Services PMI hits the wires, giving us a snapshot of the US services sector activity. With the US-Iran conflict already straining global supply chains and shipping lanes, a strong PMI reading could signal the US economy is overheating. This would force the Fed to abandon its easing bias, potentially sparking a fierce rally in the greenback and putting pressure on risk assets. Finally, on Friday, all eyes will be on the US non-farm payrolls. If job growth explodes despite global instability, the Fed will keep monetary policy restrictive. The dollar will likely crush rival currencies, while cryptos and equities could dive as markets brace for stricter financial conditions. Beyond the data, keep a close eye on commodities. Headlines about the ongoing US-Iran talks and the Strait of Hormuz blockade are keeping markets highly volatile. Any fresh setback in the negotiations could send crude oil prices into overdrive, while gold remains trapped under the weight of a hawkish Fed and a dominant US dollar. This was your week ahead at XM. Don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss a market update.